Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new fragrance that I've tested and tried and I'm quite enjoying it, and it is made in India. Today I'm going to talk about Champagne Talk, and this is from the Madeira collection from Paradise Perfumes. Very proudly made in India. And when I saw their website and they have like sections of Madeira collection and so many perfumes, very affordable, and that just intrigued me, and I thought I'm going to try just one perfume first, see, test and try how the quality is, and if I kind of like it and recommend it. So I just got this one and I thought that I'll share my review with you guys. And if you guys have some recommendations for me from this brand, do let me know in the comments section. I'll try and get my hands on it. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's start with the packaging on this one. It comes in this nice cardboard box which is dark green in color with details in white. And behind you have like all the details about the fragrance, kind of like when it is appropriate to use. So this is like one night, one scent, still on their mind kind of a fragrance. Then Champagne Talk isn't about introductions, it's about impressions. So they have all the taglines, written here, which kind of like spray it once and you're the story they can't stop telling. So they're kind of like building that story, that what is the occasion for you to wear this fragrance, which is very nice and very relatable. Then here they have all the details, and look what they've written here. It's made in Bharat. Lovely. Manufacturing details and customer support information, everything is here. This is ethically made and it is not tested on animals and cruelty free. Very proudly made in India. So that's the outer packaging. This is how the perfume bottle looks like. It's a nice thick glass bottle with the label of Champagne Talk written here and Madeira collection written right here. And this is how the juice is. And there's just this one tiny problem, that the sticker is kind of like coming off from here. I really wish that they would have made the sticker on the backside also, like running the sticker from here and moving it here, so that there are no sharp edges on the sticker and it does not come out this way. That's the only feedback on the packaging, if I may give so. But the bottle looks nice and has a nice sticker here. The cap here is made up of plastic, but it is stuck really tight here. So good quality stuff. And once you open this is how the atomizer is. It's a nice golden color and also sprays the product really well. Let's talk about the scent profile on this one. This is a very boozy, a very cognac heavy, spicy, warm, woody and slightly sweet, creamy kind of a fragrance. It does have that champagne effervescence, that fizziness that the drink has. It does kind of give you that kind of an airiness in the fragrance, but also has this enough depth and maturity of woodiness and kind of these spices blending together with the champagne. This one opens up with cognac, which is a very bold and kind of gives that effervescence in this fragrance. Then it has cinnamon, tonka bean, oak and Hedion that kind of brings in that warm and spicy kick. It also kind of makes the whole perfume quite grounded in a way. And then it has vanilla, praline, sandalwood and candied almonds that is bringing some nuttiness, some sweet creaminess that kind of keeps lingering on the dry down. I think this perfume is made for moments like sitting on a very luxurious sunset rooftop with sipping champagne with your partner, kind of being tipsy romantic, but also revealing your deep dark secrets, and the moment kind of gets converted from secret talks to kind of like cozy moments. It's that kind of a fragrance that it definitely has this very romantic but a very mature feel to it, where I see like a married couple going for a dinner, a luxe dinner, with the girl being very dressy, very confident, wearing a red lip and holding hands with your partner and kind of dress sexy for the occasion. And then you're having this very nice cozy dinner with live music and a beautiful ambience. And that's the kind of luxe feeling that this fragrance gives. It definitely is made for evening and nighttime if you're planning to wear this in summers. And for winters and rainy season, I think this is going to rock in the daytime as well. This gives me a longevity of around 8 to 9 hours with 7 to 8 sprays. I recommend you not to overspray this one, because it is kind of like a strong fragrance and it does perform really well. So be mindful on the number of sprays that you go with. It has a very unisex appeal to it. think men, women both can equally enjoy this one. But I usually tend to wear these kind of, deeper, warmer toned fragrances when I'm very dressy for the occasion. So I love wearing something like this. So it kind of ooms the confidence in me. I really enjoy wearing this one, and I think that this is quite unisex in nature. Now this one has a good projection. It kind of creates a good scent bubble around me, and it leaves a perfume trail. And this is the kind of scent profile that also gets compliments because it smells luxurious. It smells quite designer and high-end in my opinion, because whenever there is a heavy dose of cinnamon in my perfumes, I tend to get a lot of compliments on that. And it's kind of one note that I feel makes a perfume smell luxe. It's one of those ingredients. So yeah, this smells luxe. It gets me compliments, but I'll definitely say it's not a safe blind buy because it does have a prominent boozy, spicy accord playing in the background, right? I really wish I would have worn a black dress today instead of blue, because then I would have definitely vibed with this fragrance. I just feel like wearing a darker shade color suits to wear something like this. It just has that dark, sexy appeal to it. So this one is available at www.paradiseperfumes.in, and MRP for 60 ml of this bottle is 1199 rupees, and currently at discount it is selling at 999 rupees on their website. So I think it is worth every penny. The quality is amazing. There is no initial alcohol blast. Overall, the blend is very smooth and kind of feels very luxe. So that's the overall opinion on Champagne Talk. Overall, for the pricing, for the quality, and the way it suits Indian weather, this gets a whooping 10 out of 10. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. I hope that you join my family there. I'm really trying to grow on Instagram, so your support means the world to me. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!